Hey guys, how you all doing? I'm Paul and this is Tech and Travel, where today I will be unboxing a couple of phone cases for the new Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. Now, a few days ago I posted up a video of an unboxing of my phone case for the Note 10 Plus that I've ordered, but my missus, being the copycat that she is, decided that she's going to put a pre-order in for exactly the same phone as me. So she obviously needs a couple of phone cases for herself, and she's ordered these two, which I'll be unboxing in a minute, which are the Liquid Crystal from Spigen and the Liquid Crystal Glitter from Spigen. So let's get them unboxed. What I think I'll do is start off with the unboxing of, which one should we go for? Let's go for the Liquid Crystal first. So we'll put the other one to the side there. So this one, my partner picked up from Amazon UK and was £8.99. So taking a look at the front of the box. So indicates it's for the Note 10 Plus. It's the Liquid Crystal. And just confirming it's for the Samsung Galaxy there. And we've got, right, form fitted for device, ultimate everyday protection, and stable mounting. Not really much on the sides. Looking around the back, got the same things there. And then just the stickers at the bottom saying it's Spigen Liquid Crystal. Clear and 2019, and it's new. Right, so we've got a pull tab at the top, so I'm going to pull it and pull out the case. Put the box to one side there. So we've got a plastic wrapping. Right, so first off, we've got a screen wipe there. Clean it all up. Hopefully we shouldn't need that on a brand spanking new phone, but it's handy to have anyway. And got some instructions there about cleaning the case. And here it is, the case itself. So as you can see, perfectly transparent. There you go. Looks pretty clear, as in like some I know that are a bit more yellowy than others. It's sort of catching the light there. It's sort of going a bit different in colour. Noticed, a bit sort of orangey, goldy sort of looking, which may match up if you've got the Aura Glow model. So we've got the new cutout for the new Note 10 there. It's obviously different shape to last year's Note. So it will be a triple camera setup and your flash and depth sensor there. Looking at the bottom, you've got your cutouts for your charging port, speaker, pen, obviously no headphone jack this year. Moving on to what would be the right side of the phone, obviously no buttons this year at all, so that's, if we get it a focus, yeah, all just nice and clear, bit of writing down the side. Moving on to the top, cut out for speaker and a microphone. And then onto what would be the left hand side of the phone. As you look at, you've got your volume up, down and power stroke Bixby button, which nobody will use, but anyway. So the actual case itself is in construction. As you can see, very pliable. It's not hard really or anything like that. It's semi sort of hardish, but not as rigid as like my one was. The buttons, as you can see, are quite soft feeling. What I will do, I'll quickly just whip out my phone case which I've got here, just to give you a comparison. Mine is the Ultra Hybrid, and that is harder and more firm than this one. So if you're wondering what the difference is between the two, this is a lot more pliable. Look, do you know what I mean? This bendy old thing compared to mine. That's about the this being white looking. When I put it up against my one, it does look a bit more, if you can see that there, that does look a bit more yellowy than that one. So yeah, when you haven't got that one there, it looks all right, but put it next to the Ultra Hybrid, from who this is made by Spigen, should I have said again. That looks a lot more clearer than that one. Wouldn't have really thought that until I've just put that one there. So let's set this one to the side there, and let's have a look at the Liquid Crystal Glitter. So again, just looking at the front, pretty much the same thing. Obviously just indicating it's a liquid crystal glitter. You can see all the glittery bits on there. Same writing on the back. Again, just confirming exactly what it is. So let's pull the tab on this one. Set that to one side. Again, similar, same wrapping. And looks like we've got the same contents again. So wipe and instructions. And there is the glitter. As you can see there, I'll get that in the right light. It's not, I wouldn't say it's overly glittery. You have to get it at the right angle. I mean, when you look at it straight on like that, it's, I mean, compare it to the other one, it's very subtle. It's only when you really tilt it like that, as you can see the difference there, real coming through. Almost looks wet, to be honest. Yeah, a bit less than what I'd expect it to be. It's only £1 more though, so yeah, I should have said that. It's £9.99 for this one. Again, Amazon. Exactly the same cutouts and everything on it. There you go. So identical cases really. Literally the only difference is the glitter on it. Yeah, all the same. Feels the same construction. Again, very pliable. For a tenner, yeah, I suppose it's all right. You know, I wouldn't say it's what a bloke could have, but yeah, for the ladies. And what I've got is my partner's Note 8, which is pretty much the same size. So what we do, we just try a phone in it. So you can see there against the black. Now with the black, that that emphasizes that glitter effect a bit more. What it would be like on the Aura Glow of the Note 10 Plus, I'm not sure, because that's pretty blingy anyway, so it might not stand out quite as much. Just have a look around the sides. Yeah, you can see the glitter there. So what we do, we're just try on the clear one. No glitter effect. Showing up the fingerprint marks there. So that's one good thing a bit, I suppose, about the glitter one. Hides the fingerprints a little bit more. So yeah, there you go. So there you have it then, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that video of the Spigen cases there. And if you did, I'd really appreciate a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more of the same in the future, including unboxing of the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus, which I'll be getting on Friday, then hit that subscribe button, and yeah, be plenty more content coming soon. So thanks very much for joining me, and hopefully I'll catch you guys on the next one. Bye for now.